As the internet evolves, so does the world of online currencies. Cryptocurrencies have now been around for 15 years, and it doesn't look like it's going to disappear anytime soon. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video will cover everything you need to know to get started and succeed in the crypto markets. The first step in mastering crypto trading is understanding the basics. We'll cover key terms like blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and exchanges. If you're not familiar with these terms, don't worry, we'll break them down for you. Blockchain explanation. Blockchain is the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies. It's a decentralized and secure digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. This ensures transparency and security. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others are examples of cryptocurrencies. Each operates on its own underlying technology and has unique features. Choosing a crypto exchange. To start trading, you'll need to choose a crypto exchange. A cryptocurrency exchange is an online platform that facilitates the buying, selling, and trading of cryptocurrencies. It serves as an intermediary, connecting buyers and sellers in the cryptocurrency market. Developing a trading strategy. Now that we have the basics down, let's talk about developing a trading strategy. Without a plan, you're more likely to make impulsive decisions. A well-thought-out strategy is crucial for long-term success. This involves setting out goals and risk tolerance, like whether you're looking for short-term gains or long-term investments. Understanding these properly will help you make informed decisions about which cryptocurrency to trade next. Fundamental and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating the intrinsic value of an asset by examining factors that could influence its price. For cryptocurrencies, these factors include project fundamentals, team competence, technological innovation, use cases, partnerships, and macroeconomic indicators. A combination of both can provide a comprehensive view. Continuous learning. Crypto markets are dynamic and ever-evolving. Regularly follow news related to the cryptocurrency market. Stay updated on regulatory changes, technological advancements, and major events that can impact the overall market sentiment. Identify and follow influential figures in the crypto space, such as experienced traders, analysts, and thought leaders. Many of them share insights, analysis, and valuable information on social media platforms, blogs, or through podcasts. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering crypto trading. Remember, patience, discipline, and continuous learning are key to success in this space. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.